Hi everyone, welcome back to Gedo. Today we will show you how to replace the vibrator motor on the Xiaomi Redmi A1 mobile phone. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair which are listed in the description. At first, turn off the phone and remove the SIM tray, and then proceed with the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, create a gap near the SIM slot or charging port using a picker or car pry tool. Insert the tool and gently slide it around the phone to release the plastic clip securing the frame. This process will take time and needs patience. Next, take out the cover from the body. Next, remove the logic board cover by undoing 11 screws. Once all screws are removed, use a pry tool to lift the cover. Next, disconnect the battery connector. Next, take out the cover by undoing 7 screws. Next, disconnect the antenna head and LCD plug from the board. And also release the adhesive holding the vibrator motor. Next, gently pull out the charging and headphone board from the body. Next, pull out the not working vibrator motor from the body. Apply some heat to release the adhesive under the motor. For this, can use a heat gun or something similar. Next, place and secure the new vibrator motor in the body. Next, place and secure the charging board on the body. Next, secure the LCD plug and antenna head into the board. And also secure the vibrator motor tape. Next, secure the cover by adding 7 screws. Next, fasten the battery connector. Next, secure the board frame by securing 11 screws. Finally, press the back cover firmly into the place and slide along the edges to lock the clips securely. And also insert the SIM tray. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.